Hey guys, George Philip Barks After Dark here. We are here at Maestro Mickey's and All-Star Music. Now, we want to come to this store for a very specific reason. They just renovated it. So this is new. We haven't seen the renovation yet. We have 2 videos in the channel about the renovation process, but this is the finished product. So let's go in, take a look. Now, it is just the new year, so they have the 2026 stuff right here in the front, which is awesome. What I like about the 2026 stuff, the 2025 stuff was a bit loud and busy. 2026 definitely feels a little more sophisticated and cleaner lines. Great zipping, great logo for 2026. Disney just going, yep, it's the new year. Sweatshirt, gray one, hoodie. Most magic place on earth, fantastic. Then you got your photo frames. And the ears that light up. We saw these when we were out on New Year's Eve. They're just, they're great. And then they got the books and all that, pens. So that's 2026. Now it's leaned out significantly. Obviously, this is past New Year. But they got this stuff over on this side. So this is new for us. This is a new backpack with the iconic D for Disney. 2026, a little more retro feel to it. Same sweatshirts, and then they have the great mug. What I like about this mug so much is the handle. It's a hidden Mickey. Pretty obvious, I know, but I showed you anyway. It's a good size mug. Most magical place on earth. $19.99. And then if you don't want the blinky ears, they got the traditional mini ears. And what I like is they also have the little guy stuff. You know I love my hats. Onesie, and then the Christmas ornaments. They always have New Year's Eve Christmas ornaments. But this this is an interesting posable Mickey doll. Okay. So his arms move. Put him up here. There he is. His arms move. His head moves. So you can move him around and position him as you see fit. Okay. I get it. But then this is actually, this is where the fun is. So this is the stuffy. Again, not as loud as last year's stuffy. Really like this one much better. They definitely did a great job on that. Then they have the truck like they always do, the mini one. And then they got the ones, the Hess truck. It reminds you of the Hess truck if you're as old as I am. That's the reason. Now that's the 2026 stuff. Now, we're just gonna go through the store. Let's take a look at the differences real quick. They moved the counter register over here to the side on this side. And that's brand new, it's over there. They really drew in all the musical stuff in a much bigger way. You see that this stand has the harps as the corners, grand piano as a display case. Harps continue over here, but then they have all the instruments. They have the trombones and the flutes and the trumpets. They're all up in there, and that's all the brass instruments. Did really, really, really well. And then along the line there, they have all the music, and then the other instruments that come through. Back wall, they end up having the drum set with the xylophone. So really, oh, over here, then they do have the cello and the violins. So they really did a nice effort to draw in all the musical pieces into the renovation. So I think they did a great job on the renovation. Oh, wait. Okay, so they have now a display case. Clearly it's a Mickey display case. Mickey who gets ready. And if you look real carefully, he has picture Minnie. There's his gloves, his top hat, his cane, his music strewn on the ground. All in the golden afternoon is the music he's playing. Wow, okay, so they definitely took this thing next level. So I gotta tell you, I didn't know what they were trying to do. They did a great job. Let's go back to the front, work our way to the back again, and look at some merchandise. Now, the merchandise they have is, one thing we'll always say about All-Stars, their stores are top-notch. We have always been blown away by a Value Resort having some of the best merchandise in Disney. This place does. The blue sweatshirt here is one we love the most because it's a very adult sweatshirt. These on both sides, and it's super duper heavy. So it has a great thing. Then they have the cups with the tag along pouches. That's new. They're everywhere. You can't get around them. There's minis. They're cute. I guess they hold your phone. They hold your credit cards. Great sweatshirt here. Walt Disney World. Simple. They got simple lines here. That blue sweatshirt then comes in green as well. Didn't see that before. And this pink one is fantastic. Now, what's great about this sweatshirt, which I don't want to lose track of, the Mickey is raised. It's not just imprint. It's actually like embossed. And then it's embroidered there. So really, boom, it comes with matching sweatpants. I'm telling you, just good stuff in the store. Then they have the blue version of that sweatshirt right there. On the back wall, the Spirit jerseys here are really outstanding. This one's great because I haven't seen this one. Now this is really the Mickey ear balloons with the fireworks and the glitter and kind of the pale peach. Just a great Spirit jersey. And then you have the villains one here with Walt Disney World and all the villains, iconic people. Now you know Villains Land's coming. They're really going to start seeing an increase in that. And then here's the other version of just the Fab 5. And they got the monochromatic one, which I think is just really just simple to the point. Then there's your blue and gold, which they carry everywhere. Great simple Disney sweatshirts. I like the fact they just kind of break it down. And this is great. This is, they got pink with the white lettering, simple, but then you got the white ears, the monochromatic white. They really pull the whole outfit together. We'll peel around, and what I like about this is they still bring some of the all-star sports stuff in here. So you have the hockey jersey, but that's a great hat. And guys, that's a great visor. Now I'm a visor guy, I'm not a hat guy. So if anybody's watching this who I'm married to, be a nice visor to get. Now, the most magical place on earth, the entire line here. Mickey and Fantasia and him as the wizard and the hat. And it was a line they launched. I just never felt like they got traction on. It really had a chance to be something spectacular, and it just really kind of fell a little flat. But it's out there, and I'm for it. Now, you'll see a lot of this stuff in the store right now. The heavy sweatshirts, heavy sweatpants. We're in a cold snap, and we're just coming out of it now, but it was frigid here. For Florida, it was frigid. So we're coming back out of it. We're going to go back into it next week. All your swim stuff here. And then the back, which is great. They always have all the snacks and the mugs. We love our mugs. So, we'll come back to, and a baby stroller. You always need a baby stroller. Just saying. And then in the back wall, they do have the loungeflies and the ears. And they look kind of the ones we've seen. This is relatively new though. They got the Fab 5 one on black. And then the ears are here. They're carrying all those princess variants. And some of the biggest mini ear bow ears I've ever seen. Oh dear God. It's the oversized bow. I don't think I've ever seen it before. That's huge. If I didn't know better, I would think it would be a knockoff because they don't make them that big, but they do here. And then they have the additional luggage in the bags because you always buy too much. So overall, guys, this is the store. This is the upgraded store. I gotta tell you, I'm impressed. They did a real nice job on the store. Add enough of those little subtle elements to make you kind of capture and know exactly where you are. But with that, whoa, wait a minute. Love those ears. Okay, so these are great ears. Sorry, a little distraction. So that being said, guys, George Flower Parks After Dark. Listen, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We are getting close to 10,000 subscribers. Can you believe that? I know just over 2 years we got this far. Thank you to all those who support us. Thank you to our channel members as well. I really appreciate your support and ongoing just love you have for the channel. It is fantastic. Thank you for that. And so that being said, guys, take care, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.